Okay, let's make a voiceover for our promotional material. We can make a video with it using Canva. Let's use Word, online Word, okay? So we're going to open up a new doc. I've already put what I want my voiceover to say. You can make it as long as you want. You could have it read a whole story. I think these voiceovers are great, and guess what? They are free. So this method is free. So what we're going to do, type out what you want to say there. As I always tell everybody, you guys want to keep things organized, get your notepad open, put this in there because you're going to want to use that later in your video probably, because I like to throw some words up on the screen whenever I'm making a video. So, alright, so we got that all typed out. We're going to go over here to File, and we're going to go to Save As, and we're going to go to Download as PDF. Alright, so once it says your document is ready, you're going to click Download. Alright, so we'll wait for it to download down here. We'll go right here. We'll go Show in Folder. As I say all the time, I always say, what do I say? Stay organized. So we're going to put that with the file that we're working on right now. Oh, it disappeared on me. MRR ebooks. Okay, so now that file's in there. So we're going to open that up. Alright, there it is. Now, watch this. I go up here and I click Read Aloud.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income. Get your online business started with this ebook. Take action now.
I better check to make sure that my desktop audio is on and up so you can hear that good. Alright, so let's do that again. We can do it with a different voice this time. So let's try Guy Online English and hit play.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income. Get your online business started with this ebook. Take action now.
Okay, if you notice, I put a lot of periods right there. That's going to give it time to get to our next slide whenever we're making our video. So our next step is going to get the voice recorder open for Windows. So you just search that down in Windows. Okay, so it's going to be a little tricky. We're going to have a little space in here, but we can adjust that whenever we get over to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record, and I hope this works for the sake of the video, because this might bounce off. Okay, so now we're going to hit record, and then we're going to go up and we're going to hit play on our read aloud on our PDF file. So any PDF file you can read aloud. So even these ebooks that you get, you can have that read aloud too. All right, that if that puts some sort of thought in your head there. All right, here we go.
Start reselling ebooks and earn passive income. Get your online business started with this ebook. Take action now.
Okay, that's it. So now we have that recording, all right? So that was recording number 3, 16 seconds. So we'll make a 16-second video, maybe about 18 seconds. Throw a second on the end of each one of those. We could even come in with some music and then put this. So this is how you make a voiceover for free with Microsoft Word. Then you can use it on Canva to make a cool promotional video. Alrighty.